Monday, October 24th, 2005, Hurricane Wilma swept across South Florida. Although it took many days for it to come, after 12 hours of pounding, she was gone. This is my story.
Waiting on the storm, waiting on the storm. To this house we'll go when it starts to blow. Got our hurricane supplies, hope we make it out alive. Waiting on the storm, the police are on the road, telling me it's time to go. They say we should not stay, Wilma's on her way. It's a stressful situation and mandatory evacuations. Waiting on the storm. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the hurricane comes. Everybody say I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the weather comes along. Walls are moving all by me. Got the storm surge out on the sea. Patio burners all inside. I think it's time to kiss my eyes goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let me hear you say I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go when the hurricane comes. Everybody say I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go when the weather comes along. Come Monday evening, it'll be okay. Come Monday evening, Wilma has gone away. Now it's time to go out and assess the scene. And I can't believe all this debris. I can't help it, honey. There's just so much of it now. Remember those trees we just planted? Love looked, but they're nowhere around. Man, what a change in the scenery. It'll take weeks just to clean up this mess. But we're safe and the house is still standing. Things to be thankful for, I guess. Call insurance and fill out some form. Better yet, let's just move back up north. Come Monday evening, it'll be okay. Come Monday evening, Wilma has gone away. Now there's Alpha and Beta, we can't take no more. Keep us out of the track of the storm. Now there's Alpha and Beta, let's go back indoors. Better yet, let's just move back up north. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go.